Hey there, it's J-Rod here for Rich Retirement TV, and today I'm going to highlight 3 tech stocks that actually soared during the sell-off. But before I do, I want to tell you why I love sell-off so much and how you can use them to your advantage. You've probably seen the scary headlines about stocks selling off, inflation fears coming into view, how the economy is about to get rocked, all kinds of tough stuff designed to scare the hell out of you. Personally, I love it because what I'm seeing with my 2 eyes is telling a very different story than the naysayers. I told you last week about the vacation I just took with my family. Packed our 2 kids up, hopped on a plane down to Florida. It was a great time. And what I saw down in Miami was a bustling economy. A great place to be. It was warm. People were outside. They were having a great time. Despite the pandemic, people are getting back into the world and they're having a good time doing it. And knowing that, knowing we have vaccines coming, they're coming faster than they ever have been in the course of this pandemic. Vaccines are coming. People are getting back out into the world, and they've got unemployment is falling. They're getting back out into the world. They've got money to spend, and they've got a year's worth of time to make up. So, personally, when I see a sell-off, I'm thrilled. I got a watch list of stocks 10, 20 deep, and as they're selling, as people are selling off their shares, I'm happily taking them off their hands. The stock market can't go up all the time, and if you're a serious investor or serious trader, you take advantage of those sell-offs. As my colleague Alan Nuckman always quips, optimism always wins, and if you're an optimist, you're going to win in this market, hands down. So with that said, today, we're going to take a look at these 3 tech stocks that are soaring. These are bulletproof stocks. Doesn't matter, pandemic, no pandemic, these stocks are going to do well. But here's why they're doing so well right now. All right, so first stock on my list, Eventbrite Incorporated. That's ticker EB. As you can see behind me, there are 3 beautiful guitars. I'm an avid musician, but more so than I'm an avid musician, I am a rock and roll fan. I love concerts. My wife and I, pre-pandemic, we're going to, easily 5-10 shows a year. We're boring people. We watch Netflix. We go to concerts. We play music. That's it. Eventbrite is an event ticketing technology company. They simply facilitate event ticketing, and I don't know if you've noticed or not, but a lot of events have been canceled because of the pandemic, and those events have been rescheduled. You got concerts coming back into play. With the warm weather coming, with social distancing, we can get back and begin to enjoy those things. And there's a lot of pent-up demand in this household included. But as you can see here, just take a look at this stock. Just explosive, right? You've got, pandemic times, to get my big face out of the way, pandemic times falls, but boom, let's look at momentum here. We get a nice, beautiful break here above the, we got a golden cross here and a huge move above the 50-day moving average. This the red line here, and the 200-day moving average, the blue line here. Very bullish heading forward. Take a look at just what the stock's done in the last couple of days here. $20 has been a real tough. The stock's had a tough time breaking out of that level, but ahead of earnings, which are on Wednesday, the 24th of February, we got a beautiful pop here above $20. And again, despite the sell-off that's going on in the market, you see here, this stock cannot be stopped. You can't stop optimism. People are ready to get back into the world, and they're going to be buying tickets, concert tickets, like crazy. So this is one you want to own. My price target on this stock is $30. Again, just take a look here. You got the $20. And pull out my marker here. We got the $20 top of this horizontal range here. Just kidding. And then we've got this out of the way. We've got $10 on the bottom end of that range. So that's $10. Put that $10 range on top of $20, it gives you $30. So a nice upside here. And who knows? If the reopening happens faster than expected, this stock could soar even more. This could be a $40, $50 stock easily before the end of the summer. Let's take a look at the second stock on my list. VUZI. Vuzix Corporation, ticker VUZI. They are an augmented reality company. They are probably best known for their augmented glasses, their smart glasses product. It's a competitor to what you might know as Google Glass, the kind of short-lived smart glass product from Google. I actually tried these glasses on the Vuzix glasses, that is, about 5 or 6 years ago, and they were pretty neat. I've tried a bunch of different glasses, the Google Glass, the Facebook Oculus, and the Vuzix glasses were even 5-6 years ago pretty nice, but they've been embraced in COVID times by the medical community. In fact, the American Medical Association has really talked them up as these glasses have helped medical students who were not able to, otherwise able to get together and get ready to be doctors. These glasses have helped them to actually perform surgeries and other medical procedures without having to be in a building with other doctors. So it's incredible, and I've been saying this for a long time. These augmented reality products are not just the future; they're in the present. And as we get 5G rolling out and data can move back and forth between these devices, and other devices in the internet faster than ever before, we're going to see an economic explosion like we haven't seen in 30 years. So Vuzix is at the forefront of this movement, embraced by the medical community. They've got roots, plans in education and other big sectors. So this is definitely a stock to own. I think this is a $50 stock easily. You take a look, just the momentum on this name is just incredible. And despite the sell-off, again, you take a look here. This is a stock that has gained, and I'm not exaggerating, over 1,000% in the last 12 months. Compare that to a mere 45% rise in the NASDAQ. This stock is blowing other tech stocks away. This is not a stock that's going to be bullied around by the bears. It's going to continue to grow, again, as augmented reality makes its way into the world. Plus 5G, you got a big move here coming for this stock. So great one here. And again, it's less than $20 a share. Great affordable name here. Last stock on my list, MXL. That's the ticker for MaxLinear Incorporated. They are a $2.7 billion 5G telecommunications equipment play. They're big in 5G, particularly RAN, which is the radio access network. It's a radio network that augments the larger 5G network. They've got a partnership, a big time partnership with Facebook Connectivity. Facebook's trying to expand internet access to the world, and MXL is a big player in that space. These guys are doing $480 million in annual revenue. Talk about momentum here. The stock is up 140% over the last year. Again, compare that to a mere 45% rise in the NASDAQ. Not even close. And I believe that MXL has more room to run. You take a look here at the chart. Again, just beautiful, beautiful momentum here. 50-day moving average has proven support here. And this is, so we're just after the close on Tuesday, the 23rd. Look at this. Look at this. The stock tried to sell off, couldn't do it, tapped out at the 50-day moving average and just soared right on higher. But I really like here is, stock closed just below 40 bucks yesterday. It was able to push higher on above average volume. And take a look here at these bars. I mean, just there we go. Yeah, just big move there. My drawing tool is failing me, but anyway, so we get a nice push here around $40. You see this this range getting carved out here between $30 and $40. A break above $40 here. Take that $10 range, slap it on top of 40. That gives you 50 bucks. But again, as 5G rolls out, I've been saying this for a very long time. 5G is rolling out faster, ever so faster, especially as we get closer to reopen. All these telecoms have spent the last 12 months, Verizon, AT&T, what have you. They've spent a lot of money and a lot of energy while people are stuck inside to build out this network. This network is going to be mostly done by the time people get back out into the world here in 2021. So again, this is going to be a big momentum move. It's going to be a big momentum behind MaxLinear. So MXL, again, I'm seeing this stock go to 50 bucks on the breakout here. Other two names, Vuzix, the augmented reality company, and Eventbrite, which is near and dear to my musical heart. These are three great tech stocks that are soaring amid the sell-off. If you're looking to put some cash to work, take a look at these three plays. But whatever you do, do not be bullied into submission amid this sell-off. Take advantage of the sell-off. Buy into the names that you really like. Those names that are going to do well no matter what the market does. These three names are three names, just three such names. Take a look at these. Take advantage while you still can. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm Jay Rod, and I'll see you next week.